Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 19 January 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 12. Name of the chapter is Locating Places. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I have completed the explanation of the chapter and we are doing the book exercises of the chapter. So student, question number A, tick the correct answer. These are MCQ question. We have already completed this question in our book. Now let's start with question number B, write true or false. So in question number B, first three question we have already completed, that is a lighthouse is a landmark. Yes, this is a true statement. The sun rises in the west, so this is a false statement. Question number 3, Gujarat is in the east of India, so this is also a false statement because Gujarat is not in the east, it is in the west of India. Now let's start with question number 4. Write true or false. Question number 4. The direction between south and east is southwest. Direction between south, the direction between south and east, is southwest. So student, the direction between south and east is southwest. This is a false statement because the direction between south and east is southeast. Is it clear? Direction between south and east is southeast, but here it is given southwest. That is the reason this is the false statement. Now Question number 5. The direction between north and east the direction between north and east is called it the northeast. So student, the direction between north and east, is it clear? The direction between north and east is called it the northeast. Yes, this is the true statement. This statement is true. So next question is question number C. Match the rows. So here see, this is the picture is given. One by one I will discuss this thing with you. See, 5 pictures are given here. Okay, so this first picture is a sketch, second picture is a plan, okay, third picture is of a direction, fourth picture is of a map, and this picture fifth is of a neighborhood place. Is it clear? So question number C is the match the rows. So first one is given neighborhood, second is the sketch, third is a map, and fourth is a plan, and fifth is the direction. Okay, so you will match the picture. So you can do this question in your book. Is it clear? So this is a picture of a neighborhood, this is a picture of a neighborhood, this is a picture of sketch, this is the picture of a map, okay, then direction, this is the picture of a direction. So you match this in your book. Is it clear? And this is a plan. Now let's start with the question number D. Give short answer to the following questions. Question number D. Give Give short answers. Give short answers. Question number 1. Okay. Now name the 4 main direction. Name the 4 main directions. Okay, name the 4 main direction. For example, see student, if this is a map, okay, if this is a map on A4 size paper, for example, this is a map of A size on A4 size paper. So whenever you will observe the map, student, the top direction, this is top, the top direction is always north, okay, and the bottom direction is always south. This is my right hand side, so this is east. East is towards right hand side, and this is my left hand, so direction towards the left is west. This is west, and it is towards the left hand side. This is towards the left hand side. So now student, whenever you see the map, direction on the top is always north, direction at the bottom is south, direction at the right hand side is east, and direction at the left hand side, that is the west. So it is asked in the question, name the 4 main direction. So the answer is, how many direction we have on the map? 4. And what are their names? North, south, east and west. The name of the 4, there are 4 main direction on the map, and the name of the directions are, what are the names? Names are north, south, east and west. So note down the answer. The 4 main directions. The 4 main directions are, east, west, north, and south. So student, name the four main directions. So the answer is the four main directions are east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. These are the name of four main directions. Note down the answer, or you can also take a screenshot also. Now let's see what is the question number 2. Name question number 2. Name any four landmarks you see on your way to school. Okay student, so student, the question is, when you are coming from your home to school, so on your way, when you are coming from your house to the school, then you have to tell the name of four landmarks. So first of all student, let us understand. So when we are coming from our house to school, we see big buildings, okay, or other popular places that are called it landmarks. These landmarks are very important because with the help of these landmarks, we reach the right location. ठीक है, ये जो लैंडमार्क्स होते हैं बेटा, ये बहुत ही पॉपुलर प्लेसेस होती हैं जिसको मैक्सिमम पीपल्स जानते हैं. तो ये लैंडमार्क्स बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं. जैसे हमें जहाँ जाना है, किसी लोकेशन को सर्च करने में ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होते हैं. ओके, सो दीज लैंडमार्क्स which we see in our way, these are very important popular places which are known by many peoples, and these landmark help us to find the right location of the place. Now note down the answer. So the landmarks फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, मैंने आप लोग को लैंडमार्क में बताया भी था कि हमारे स्कूल के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट लैंडमार्क क्या है? दुर्गा मंदिर है. बिकॉज 39 GTC में यही सब मंदिर है, दुर्गा मंदिर. और आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल इज नियर टू द दुर्गा मंदिर। तो जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका ही कोई फ्रेंड आपके घर के पास आता है, तो आप भी कोई इम्पोर्टेंट लैंडमार्क बताते हो। जैसे आप बोलते हो कि आप इधर से आओगे, हमारे घर के आगे बहुत बड़ा पार्क है और पार्क के ऑपोजिट इज माई हाउस। तो ये जो लैंडमार्क्स होते हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं टू फाइंड द राइट लोकेशन। इज इट क्लियर? सो द लैंडमार्क्स we see on our way to school are बैंक। हो सकता है बेटा आपके घर के बगल में कोई बैंक हो या पार्क हो। इज इट क्लियर? आर बैंक, पार्क, पंप हाउस, पंप हाउस से क्या आता है? वाटर सप्लाई होता है। जैसे 39 जीटीसी में भी पंप हाउस है ना, जिससे सारे क्वार्टर्स में वाटर जाता है। सो पंप हाउस मे बी टेम्पल भी हो सकता है, टेम्पल, हॉस्पिटल, आर्मी क्वार्टर्स, एक्स्ट्रा। ठीक है? क्योंकि आप अपने घर से जब स्कूल के लिए आते हो, ये सारी चीज़ें 39 जीटीसी कैंपस में है। जैसे बैंक भी है, एसबीआई बैंक, पंप हाउस इज आल्सो देयर, टेम्पल इज आल्सो देयर, हॉस्पिटल इज आल्सो देयर एंड आर्मी क्वार्टर्स आर आल्सो देयर। सो दीज आर द important landmarks which help us to locate the right location of the places. Yes, you can take a screenshot also. Now question number 3. Question number 3rd. So question number 3. What is the direction? What is the direction between south and west? What is the direction between south and वेस्ट। अब साउथ और वेस्ट के बिटवीन क्या डायरेक्शन होगी? तो साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच में जितने भी होंगे तो द डायरेक्शन बिटवीन साउथ एंड वेस्ट इज साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन। इज इट क्लियर? So answer is the direction between south and west is direction between south and west is south west. So student, the direction between south and west is south west. Note down the answers. What is the direction between south and west? So answer is the direction between south and west is south west direction. Now student, the next question is, that is question number E. Answer the following questions. So question is, why do we need directions? So student, what is the need of direction? Why do we need directions? Okay, so directions are very important. With the help of the directions we are able to find our way in a particular direction. ठीक है, डायरेक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। अगर हमें डायरेक्शन का पता हो, जैसे हमें नॉर्थ में जाना है या साउथ में जाना है किसी प्लेस में, सो इट हेल्प, उस डायरेक्शन में जाना है तो ये हमारी हेल्प करती हैं टू फाइंड आवर वे इन अ पार्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। ठीक है, सेकेंड थिंग क्या है, डायरेक्शन आल्सो टेल द एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ ए पार्टिकुलर प्लेस। ठीक है, डायरेक्शन से हमें पार्टिकुलर प्लेस की जो जहां भी हमें जाना है उसकी एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन का पता चलता है और एरिया ऑन ए मैप। ठीक है, सो दैट इज द रीजन directions are very important. With the help of this we find the way in a particular direction. ठीक है, अगर हमें पता हो बेटा कि हमें इस डायरेक्शन में जाना है तो हम उसी डायरेक्शन में उस प्लेस को सर्च करेंगे। ठीक है, हम उसी पार्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव करेंगे, इसलिए डायरेक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर मुझे साउथ में जाना है और मैं वेस्ट में मूव कर गया तो मुझे जाना तो साउथ में था, अगर मैं वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में मूव कर गया तो मुझे वो प्लेस मिलेगी? नहीं मिलेगी। सो डायरेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फाइंड आवर वे इन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। एंड अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए डायरेक्शन वी फाइंड अ एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ ए प्लेस। ओके, Thank you student, and we will continue the question answer in the next video.